Hello and welcome back. Today's episode, we are going to landslide. We're going to go on to sand dunes and drive. And I'm going to give you some tips as to when you're off-road, and especially on the sand dunes, what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. Let's get started. My experience of driving on the sand dunes has been exciting. I've been doing sand dune driving for a very long time. I've done it in Dubai, I've done it in India, I've done it in Australia. But landslide sand dunes are very unpredictable. They change constantly, week over week. So if you do ever decide to go to the landslide sand dunes, always remember what you did last week, it's going to change. And it constantly changes. Always remember to drop your tire pressures down. I have once in the past gone lower than 12 to about 10, but that's in very desperate measures. Now, back to the video. So as you can see, there's a lot of changes that happen pretty quickly. And as you can see, as far as wide as we can go, and the eye can go, and I don't know if the camera is doing justice to you right now, this is what we're talking about. When the wind shifts, that's what you're going to get. And it's very easily that you will get into trouble. Looking at our car, you'll see a safety flag up there as well. And that is why I always travel with a safety flag. Recovery boards. So I'm just going to turn the car around here, and Ashish is going to pan in and out from the focal points. But if I show you, this is how bad the drops can be. But I can go down this drop and really ease down smartly getting down here. So, you know, one of the things about four-wheel driving is be very careful. Drop your tire pressures really low. Know your landscape. Generally, I prefer to keep my tire pressures between 18 and 15. And 15 is my max. I wouldn't go any lower than 15. Reason being is, you know, you could get your rims off pretty quickly, and then you'll be in a whole different shit. If you actually have a look here, I'm just going to rise up here pretty quickly and go right to the top, and I can show you why you should be very, very careful and you should know your layout pretty quickly. As you can see right here, if I take the camera away from Ashish, there you go. If I were to just go, yeah, right, I know the landscape, I think just go down there, probably everyone would be upside down in this car. Recovery boards are very, very important, because if you do get into any kind of problems, you can dig yourself out pretty quickly yourself.
So come and light me up. I still need to fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise.
If you're out here or even on a beach or you're really doing off-roading, be very, very careful, be sensible, not stupid, because it's going to cost you big time. I love my car, so I'm going to treat it and respect it. But here's a rise that I'm going to do right now, which will be a smooth sailing. But I'm going to always turn the car around just to make sure that there is no massive drops and that I can take this challenge on.
So come and light me up. I still need to fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on.
shifted here, so I'm not really gonna be stupid, but look for a way to have a decent drop, give that little bit of a kick. But as you can see, the car is actually vertical at the moment. I can just park it right now and drop the car right down this dune. You can hear all the boos and whoos, and there you go. The car has just come down, and the audience is really excited. But remember, again, do this in a safe environment. Like, I've been doing desert driving since I was a kid, really. I mean, I learned it from some of the best people in Dubai, because, you know, they are camel jockeys and they love their driving. But, you know, there was one thing taught to us really early on, that respect the desert, respect the challenge, but also be mindful that things will change and change pretty quickly.
So come and light me up. I still need to fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Baby, you light me up. I just can't get enough.
That's all for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We enjoyed making the video for you. Do subscribe. It's free. Do ring the bell notification. That's free too. We'll see you in the next video now. Bye.